again, una need to wise up. Wetin dey worry una sef? E get one video wey I just watch now. The video just dey make me dey para. E just dey make me dey vex. Wetin be una problem? Una no get brain. Dey too talk say some of una na fish brain na una get. But me, I cut myself out of that fish brain. Why e be say una dey bonbon for this Europe anyhow? Una be chicken. Una be chicken, mama. Una dey bonbon. This one no be Africa. Na Africa una dey. People don't say in Africa you even dey. Say people wey dey Africa nowadays, they don't wise up. They no dey even dey bonbon like una. You wey dey Europe, you say you get 5 children. Now government wan drive you for the house where you dey. From there now you come here say government don still collect the children. May God not let am happen. Why una dey bonbon many? People wey get 2, 3 sef, e no even dey easy for them to take care of them. Una go dey born 4, 5, 6. Una don hear person wey be say e kpai and they come kpai pikin follow am. Why una dey born dey full everywhere? Na tracing dey worry una for this thing wey me dey see so. Because say government dey pay una money, una wan your born all the food generation finish. Una dey kolo sef. Wetin be una own too much, Una own too much. I know say some of una come this comment section come dey cry today. Make una cry me a second no venge. I no send anybody. Una know say now as the matter be, now so me say they talk. You born 2 sister, I no reach. And if you look the background of those children, you will see say na 3 children, 3 papa, 5 children, 5 papa. Una all do too much. Una dey talk for this one. Odin, he go talk. Una own too much, my fellow Nigerians. Una just from that zodiac cross enter house. Nothing else to do again. Una no wan even walk. Una no wan hustle. Una wan just dey bon ekaibo. Na come be una name. Make una change una way, because those wey still dey come now, I wan go Germany. Wetin you wan go do for Germany? You no even get paper. You wan go dey bon for everywhere. You dey mad? You dey color, sister? You no go use brain? Una shame, e dey shame person. Una shame, e dey shame us. Person wey say no go talk, e go come dey talk to una. I be say I no talk for this thing, but the way when I take watch this video, you ugly son on me. I know say me una no born, but if you dey born like this, make sure say you don't lay foundation for those children. You don't buy house, wait them. Good life. No come born put for this life. The children that will come they suffer. Suffer where you suffer for Africa. Your own self go come even better pass those children. Not be to born that they talk. Now to take care of the children. Now mostly they important. Okay? Now I say make I call tell una. Mona stop to the bonbon. If you know that you are not capable to take care of the kids. Never you bonbon everywhere for this Europe again. Enough is enough, my fellow women.